Om Sri Sai Ram. Dear students, heartily welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Loka Seva Gurukulam online video classes. Let us continue the conic section. In the first part, we learnt what is the cone. So, different types of cone, that is parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. So, in this session, we see first part, the first type is parabola. Okay, in the part second, we see definition and standard equation of a parabola. What is the parabola? Generally, you have to throw one ball, the ball go like straight and the velocity is less. Now, that time the ball fall like parabolic path, that is called parabola. Meaning of parabola, this is the parabola. But what is the mathematical definition of parabola? So, parabola, that the cone is defined in mathematical form related to the focus and directrix. See, what is the definition of and standard equation of parabola? First definition. A parabola is the locus of a point which moves in a plane so that its distance from a fixed point in the plane is equal to its distance from a fixed line. So, already we seen what is the fixed ratio of fixed point to fixed line, that is called eccentricity. Observe here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, correct? So, draw the parabola like this. The vertex is origin. You take point S here, S is fixed point, and draw one line here. You say Z. Z is called, otherwise you say L. That is L. L is called fixed line. That line is called directrix. L. Okay. Take point P, x comma y, any point on the parabola. Join PS and draw PM perpendicular to L. Draw PM perpendicular to L. This is called vertex of the parabola. We say vertex of the parabola. So, come to the definition. A parabola is the locus of a point. What is the meaning of locus? Locus is nothing but a group of points. That point satisfies some geometrical conditions. That is called locus of a point. It is a locus of a point which moves, means you have to consider P is a locus of point. This point P moves in a plane such that, so that distance from the fixed point, S is the fixed point. This is called focus. The fixed point is called focus. This distance means PS. Distance from a fixed point in the plane means PS is equal to distance from the fixed line means PM. If PS length and PM both are same, then it is called the parabola. Means PS is equal to PM is called parabola. If PS and PM both are same, S is the fixed point, L is the fixed line. The fixed line is called directrix and the fixed point is called focus. When PS equal to PM, then the cone is said to be parabola. So, already we learnt in first part, if E equal to 1, that is called eccentricity is 1, that is called parabola. We know that the definition of PS by PM is equal to some E. E is some constant, some ratio. Suppose E equal to 1, that cone is called parabola. So, PS equal to here, E equal to 1, PS equal to PM, then the cone is said to be parabola. Okay. Once again, definition of parabola. A parabola is the locus of a point which moves in a plane so that a distance from the fixed point, its distance from a fixed point in the plane is equal to the distance from the fixed line in the plane. Here, this fixed line is said to be directrix. Fixed line is said to be directrix and fixed point is said to be focus. Okay. This S is the focus and L is the directrix. What is standard equation of parabola? So, I think you know that standard equation of parabola, y square is equal to 4x. This is the standard equation of parabola. You have to derive here standard equation of parabola. Clearly, let S be the focus. Let S be a focus and L be a directrix of a parabola. Okay. First, you write focus and directrix is very important when we study the conic section. Okay, focus and directrix, two conditions are very important. Let S be the focus and L be the directrix of the parabola. Let P x comma y be any point on the parabola. Okay, let P x comma y be any point on the parabola. Observe here. So I draw one line here like this. I take n here. Okay, let us see what is n. First, observe here. What is the definition? PS equal to PM. We need PS and PM. Means we need x coordinate. Take OS equal to, and you take one point here in the here Z. You take here. Take OS equal to OZ equal to A. Take OS is equal to OZ equal to A length. Means this length is A. This length is A, this also A. What is therefore coordinates of Z is minus A comma 0. Coordinates of S is A comma 0. Means this length is OS is A. Means the coordinates of S is A comma 0. S is nothing but focus. Focus coordinate is A comma 0. Therefore, focus coordinate is A comma 0, and similarly same Z coordinate is minus A comma 0. Okay. So we need PS and PM. Okay, PS length and PM by definition of ellipse. We know P point x comma y, P coordinate x comma y, and S coordinate A comma 0. By using distance formula, we can find PS. Correct. And PM, we need PM also. We know P, we don't know M, but we know the coordinates of Z. Z is minus A comma 0. Correct. Here you take any point. This is always this x is always minus A, because here is x is minus A. You take any point on L, x is minus A. What about y here? This both are equal. This equal to this. Both are equal, no? This length is equal. Pn and this one is. Draw Pn perpendicular to this x axis, means Ox. Means Pn is same as Zm or Mz. What is here? Y coordinate here? Y. Therefore, the M coordinate is minus A comma Y. If here is Y, here also Y. Length is, what is length here? No, here also same. But take any point in this line, means directrix x is minus A. Therefore, the coordinates of M is, minus A comma 0. Okay. So we know coordinates of point S, focus, P already x comma y, and M is minus A comma 0. Now use the definition of parabola. Substitute the using distance formula, find PS and PM. Equating both means PS equal to PM by definition of parabola. Then simplify, will get the equation of standard equation of parabola. Okay. Next, observe here. By definition of parabola. By definition, of parabola, PS is equal to PM. Okay, what is PS? How can you find the PS? By using distance formula. We know distance formula, root of, give the name here, x1 y1, this is x2 y2. The formula is x2 minus x1. x2 is nothing but x minus, distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square means x minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means y minus 0 whole square. RHS PM. So same here. Here is x2 y2. Give the name here x1 y1 for this point. Means Z point. You call this is this is M. This is M, no? This is M. Okay, this is PM. PM is nothing but again x2 minus x1. x2 is nothing but x minus plus a whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is nothing but y minus y1 is this also y minus y whole square. Simplification and squaring on both sides and simplification. What happens here? This becomes x square plus a square minus 2ax or xa plus y square. Simplify exponent, squaring on both sides means root get cancelled here, and simplification equal to This is x square plus y square plus 2ax. Y minus y, 0, 0 square is 0, no need to write. Okay. Here x square get cancel, and sorry, here x square plus a square, x plus a whole square, no, a square get cancel. Minus 2x take RHS, this becomes y square is equal to minus 2ax plus 2ax, this is 4ax. So y square is equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax is a standard equation of the parabola. See, you have to observe some conditions here, some formulas here. If the equation of parabola is y square equal to 4x, this is called standard equation of parabola. So the vertex of parabola is not center. The vertex of parabola is origin. This parabola vertex is origin, means 0, 0. Focus of parabola is a, 0. Focus of parabola is a, 0. And one more word here. This is called latus rectum, LR. This is called. So I take P here. I take P dash here. Correct? This is called LR, means latus rectum. Sorry, this is not a latus rectum. If the line is passing through the focus, this line is called latus rectum. This is called the latus rectum. Okay. So equation of LR, this is not a latus rectum, this is latus rectum. This equation of LR is latus rectum is x equal to how much here? A, because s is x equal to a, no, here. This is I called L and L dash. L and L dash is the latus rectum equation is x equal to a. Okay, x equal to a. The length of LR is total L dash is 4a. We can prove this one, length of LR. Suppose this is a, then we know equation of parabola. Equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4x. You put x equal to a here. Put x equal to what happens here? Y square is equal to 4a square. Y equal to how much here? Plus or minus 2a. But you write 2a because y, if we find length, no. So y equal to 2a means this length is, this is y, no. This y value is 2a. Means this also 2a. Correct? This is 2a and this is 2a. 2a is nothing but how much? Totally 4a. So length of LR is 4a. Length of LR is 4. This is called length of LR. Equation of LR is x equal to a. What is equation of directrix? This is the directrix. Equation of directrix is x equal to minus a. This is equation of directrix, x equal to minus a. Correct? Next, what is the parabola is symmetric to the x-axis. Axis of parabola is x-axis. This is symmetric to the x-axis. Means you can see here and that side also. Both sides will look like only the parabola opens the positive direction x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. This means the axis of parabola is x-axis. Okay, the axis of parabola is x-axis, and also it is called symmetric to the x-axis. These are the main basic concept of the parabolas. Focus is very important, a, 0. Directrix also very important. Equation of directrix is x equal to minus a. Equation of LR is x equal to a, and axis of parabola is x-axis. Axis of parabola is x-axis. Okay, the vertex is origin. Correct? These are the different conditions of the parabolas. The standard equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. Let us see some other form of parabola. Other form of the parabola, and means different form of parabola. See, observe here. I draw one figure here. X-axis. This is y-axis. See, already we learned the standard equation of parabola. This equation is y square is equal to 4ax. Correct. So, axis of parabola you draw in y-axis. This equation of parabola becomes x square is equal to 4ay. So, you draw like this means this equation becomes x square is y square is equal to minus 4ax. Means you draw parabola like this. This becomes x square is equal to minus 4ay. Observe all the three figures. Already one figure we learned in the previous slide. Standard equation of parabola. The axis of parabola is positive direction of x-axis. Here three more figures, three forms of the parabola. The first one is y square equal to 4x. This is the y square is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, because the axis of parabola is x-axis, but here axis of parabola is negative direction of x-axis. Therefore, y square is equal to minus 4x. So equation of directrix, this, what is equation of directrix here? X equal to, here becomes plus a, because this is means origin, here is a means a. Okay. Next, this one is completely axis of parabola change, x and y interchanged. Axis of parabola is here y axis. Equation of this parabola is x square is equal to 4ay, because interchanging x and y here. We know standard equation of parabola, y square equal to 4x. No, interchange x and y. Axis of parabola is y axis. Vertex is same, origin, vertex is not change. Equation of directrix becomes change here. Equation of directrix becomes y is equal to here. Here is origin, no, y equal to minus a, because this is a, you take this is a, this becomes minus a. Now similarly here, completely negative, correct? X square equal to 4a. This is negative direction of y axis. The equation of equation of parabola is x square equal to minus 4y. This is open, the symmetric, the negative symmetric of parabola is y axis, negative direction of y axis. These are the different form of the parabolas. See, observe here, conditions are different here, because what is the focus of this parabola? This focus, you take here focus becomes here 0 comma a, not a comma 0. Here becomes focus, you know that focus is minus a comma 0. But this parabola equation focus, you know this focus of parabola is a comma 0, because this y square is equal to 4x. This is parabola y square equal to 4x. This is y square equal to minus 4x, minus a comma 0. This is focus of parabola is 0 comma a. This is called L and L dash, length of LR. Length of LR also 4a. All the parabolas, length of LR is 4a, latus rectum. Here also, you take focus here becomes 0 comma minus a. Focus becomes 0 comma minus a, correct? Because this is negative. Here is origin, a is origin, the negative direction of y axis. These are the different forms of parabolas. Okay. Let us see some formulas. Corresponding result forms of the parabolas as follows. Means the first one we know that, you observe here first, this one. I draw here small figure. This is the x axis and y axis. This is the parabola. Actually, this is origin from the origin. Equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Correct? This is L. L means directrix. You take Z here, you take C here, or take O, whatever it may be. This becomes origin 0 comma 0. You take here focus a comma 0, because this is a comma 0. This is minus a comma 0. Observe here, first table forms y square equal to 4x. This is the y square is equal to 4x. So y square equal to 4x, vertex coordinate of the vertex is 0 comma 0 always. This type of parabolas. And coordinates of the focus is a comma 0. Equation of directrix means this equation. You know what is the x value here? X equal to minus a. Equation of directrix x equal to minus a. And equation of axis, axis of parabola is x axis. What is x axis equation? Always y equal to 0. Axis of parabola is x axis. Equation of axis is y equal to 0. And length of LR. So already I explained in last slide. Length of LR is always 4a. This is length of LR. So okay, this is the first form is over now. What is the second form? See, second form is nothing but same figure, that is open the negative direction of y axis like this, x axis, and this is y axis. Draw the directrix here in positive. Okay, this is the origin 0 comma 0 vertex. This is the focus. Here focus becomes, this is origin, this becomes minus a here 0. This z becomes a comma 0. Equation of directrix here x equal to a. So here coordinates of focus is minus a comma 0. Observe here y square equal to 4x. Vertex is same 0 comma 0 and focus is minus a comma 0. Equation of directrix x equal to a. X equal to a. Axis of parabola is again this is x axis, means x axis equation is always y equal to 0. Axis equation of axis is y equal to 0, and length of LR means length of this LR we called in we know that in circle we called some like this in the circle what you called chord, you called no chord. This is called chord. Like that, here also in the parabola, this is chord, no, in the circle. The biggest chord is diameter. Like that, if the line passing through the focus and join to the point of any 2 point of parabolas, means this is perpendicular, this line is perpendicular to x-axis, means passing through the focus. This is called latus rectum. This length of latus rectum always is 4a in any form of parabola. Okay. Next, third one is x and y interchange here. Instead of y x, instead of x y, means the axis of parabola is exchanged. Means the axis of parabola is coming like this, y axis. This is x square equal to 4ay. So here come directrix. I say L, Z here. Here is origin. No, vertex is origin. You take focus here. Focus becomes, the point lies on y axis in the form of 0 comma, you take this is a 0 comma a, focus is 0 comma a, this becomes 0 comma minus a because this is negative. Now come to the formulas. Vertex of parabola is, coordinates of vertex is 0 comma 0 and coordinates of focus is a 0 comma a, 0 comma a, and equation of directrix, this is directrix, y equal to here minus a, equation of y equal to minus a. Axis of parabola is here y axis, means the parabola is symmetric about the y axis. Axis of parabola is y axis, means what is x equal to, what is here, x equal to always 0. Axis, equation of axis is x equal to 0 because the parabola is along the y axis. Equation of axis means y axis equation is x equal to 0. Again length of LR, this is L, this is L dash, length of LR is 4a. So last same, this is negative, both are same, just negative direction. The parabola come like this. This is vertex 0 comma 0. Here coming directrix L. Here is the focus. You know focus in the form 0 comma minus a. This focus S. This is Z 0 comma plus a here. Equation vertex is 0 comma 0. Focus is, coordinate of focus is 0 comma minus a. Equation of axis y equal to a here. Equation of directrix y equal to a, and axis of parabola same because this is a y axis, open the y axis, x equal to 0 and length of LR is once again 4a. These are the result of different forms of the parabola. Okay. So thank you for watching. Keep watching until understand all the concept. Let us we start problems in next session. Jai Sai Ram.